Welcome to our latest adventure. This behind us is the village of Sepúlveda, and we are here to see the 2026 eclipse. I can't actually see anything because these I have to block out the sun, which is up there. So more on that in a moment. We're going to go down to this village. We're going to eat some roasted lamb. We're going to have some wine. We're going to chill out, and about 8 o'clock in the evening, we're going to get prepared to watch an eclipse.
Yay!
Spain is currently in the throngs of eclipse fever, positioning itself as Europe's eclipse hunting capital. This town is already quite busy. It's about to park just outside. We were lucky to get the last spot. We're going to head to our little hostel, maybe see the village a little bit, have some food a little bit, see what we see. So we're in Figón de Ismael. It's been since the 1849, and a Figón is a traditional restaurant where they basically serve one thing. Here it's all about roasted baby milk-fed lamb. So fab, so tasty. We've got a nice bottle of Ribera del Duero to go with it. We got in ahead of our scheduled time, which is pretty sweet. But the guy was like, the eclipse. Everyone's coming here to eat pork, eat lamb, watch the eclipse, and we're like, who would do such a thing? Por mis pecados. Perfecto, gracias. So happy. Salad, because, you know, being healthy is good, but also this helps cut the fat of the lamb, which is incredible. Oh my god! And it comes with potato chips as well. Potato chips. What am I now? Chips, proper chips. By the way, this is IGP. This is Indicación Geográfica Protegido Milk-Fed Baby Lamb, which is, it's almost like saying a denominación de origen. It's protected animal production method area of Segovia. Who knew? They did. Welcome to Castilla y León. We've almost come to the end, and now it's time to activate the Flintstones plan of eating, which is you go like that. Wow. If you do come to Spain, I know everyone wants paella, which is fine if you're in Valencia. If you are in Madrid and you're doing a day trip to somewhere like Segovia, which people often do, all the towns nearby, you will hear a lot about cochinillo, which is the roast suckling pig, which is very, very nice. But if you can find the cordero lechal, which is an IGP, as I mentioned, I swear, it's the best dead animal in the country. Come out to a viewpoint just to see a little bit of, is this a good one? And it is a good one. There's already people putting their deck chairs out, taking space. I just had a man chatting with the young girls like, I've come up from Granada. I'm like, wow. And there's Americans, there's some English people. Hope we don't run out of space.
¿Cuánta gente?
There's a man there was like, I've come up from Granada this morning for this. On a personal note, the reason this is interesting is in 1999, when I was, I think, 12, I saw my first eclipse in Newquay in Cornwall. and it was an amazing experience. Lara was telling me how some people she knows they weren't particularly interested, but it is quite an amazing thing. Right, we're on our way up, and there's quite a lot more people now, all going to the same place. Hopefully we can find a spot. We thought we'd be all alone. It's us in the town. It feels like we're at like a festival, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The folk music starts in 3 seconds. So we're looking this way, and it should be going down there. You can't see the camera because I've got my glasses on, but it's eaten about a small, it looks like a, if that's
like a
a
nail.
circle, like a nail's worth. It's going quite slowly, as the moon will do. But yeah, it's pretty good. We've got a great position. Not particularly comfortable, but it's history.
It is history.
Stage are we at now, Laurita, with the moon?
Maybe it's this stage.
Yeah, there's a little bit left. We've noticed the temperature dropping. I wonder why. It's almost like someone's turning off the sun. And the light's going a little bit dimmer. But in probably about 10 minutes, I think we'll start noticing it properly. And in 15 minutes, it should be a total eclipse of the heart. What do you think, Larita?
Wow.
It's quite emotional.
It is amazing.
Well done, sun. Well done, moon. Well, there you go.
Wow. We'll see you next year.
See you next year. Because there's one coming and it's going to be almost 4 minutes long next year. Maybe we should go to Gibraltar and just watch it. That was incredible. I got quite emotional. I was going to cry. So impressive. It was like, I felt like a caveman, like, sun, moon. But anyway, people are starting to move out. We'll head down shortly. Maybe grab a little drink, see what happens.
If there's space.
If there's space. But yeah, amazing. That's enough eclipses. I want a beer. Around the street, I've got an anchovy pincho.
Take my anchovy.
How we doing? I mean, this is illegal, right? Eclipse day done. We have our ice lollies, chocolate ice creams. Gonna conk out. Long day, good day. And we've got a few more surprises hopefully in store tomorrow. But for now, see you in the morning. First little stop, the Castillo de Castelnuovo, Muslim era Christianized castle on the side of the road. Just a quick stop before the hordes come in for their organised tour. We're just stopping because we saw it on the road. And then we've got another little stop after this before heading home. Welcome to the final stop of the day, the very pretty village of Pedraza. I've been here before, a long time ago. You can watch the video here. Ironically, or fittingly, or aptly, or magnificently, that was also a day trip hunting for roast baby lamb. So it's all very circular. I planned this 10 years ago. And it's a very pretty village. We're going to just look at its cobbled, honey-coloured streets and then make our way back to the capital one last time.
¿Dónde estás, Lucky?
I'm gastro travelling in Pedraza. I mean, it's quite hot, to be fair. Oh God. And that's a nice cold beer. But we didn't expect this. What? We have torreznos. I mean, look at that. Should I do the crunch test? Crunchy. And more importantly, free. So I hope you enjoyed our little eclipse escape. There will be more videos, but in the meantime, what can I do?
Like, subscribe,
Give us
notification.
money.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Money, the notification, everything.
If you want to pay the 12,000 euros for the room to see the next eclipse, let us know. But in the meantime, goodbye. Ooh.